Hey guys, today we're gonna make a pineapple Dole Whip. If you have gone to Disney, you know this is the treat to get. We're gonna make it with our Ninja blender. Yum, yum, yum. All right, so let's do this. All we need, apparently, is pineapple chunks, whipped cream. I'm using the cheapy whipped topping, and some people do put coconut milk. We're gonna try that out. And of course, our Ninja blender. So the thing is, people are going out and buying a Ninja Cremini to make ice creams. I think once you have the blender, you don't need to buy all the extra little things. So we're gonna try it out, see if this actually works.
Because we've also already made ice cream with
Ninja.
this blender, which the video is on our channel.
Check it out.
You can definitely check it out.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up this pineapple and freeze it for about an hour or two so that the chunks are hard when they're being blended. All right, and with the miracle of time, that is frozen pineapple. I already did this yesterday. So we're gonna put it all in, this and the whipped topping. This is a great health alternative for a sweet snack, really. Like the whipped cream or the whipped topping is literally like 20 calories per tablespoon. It's better than using ice cream and pineapple.
Which some people do for this
Yes,
recipe.
there's a multitude of ways of making it. So we're gonna put this in. Now, usual blenders probably wouldn't be able to take how frozen these pineapples are, but this actually crushes ice as well. Check out the other video that shows that. And we're gonna put this on the smoothie set so that it can make it creamy.
And this is a full pineapple, by the way.
Full pineapple. I'm gonna put half of the whipped topping and taste it. If it needs more, we'll add more.
So it just about fills it up. But once it starts going, those blades are gonna render it smoothie. Like.
All right, so I'm just gonna put a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna taste it and see
Yes.
if more needs to be added, including sugar. You're gonna put some sugar in it right now.
No,
Oh, that's the
coconut milk.
Yeah, this we're just trying out.
And let's see if we can get that Disney happiness.
Yeah, I'll save you a couple $1,000 if you can make this at home. Trust me, we've went to Disney
Just
and
to
paid
have
the
this.
price to really just to have this. And it's quite expensive, I can tell you. Plane, hotel, admission fee, just to get a $6 Dole Whip. Let's do this at home and save a lot of money.
All right, let's see. All right, turn it on. And I'm gonna go with the smoothie setting. All right, I'm gonna help it along a little bit. Oh my God, that smells good already. Oh my God, I love pineapple anything. Pineapple and lemons. Anyway, so let's push it a little down. I don't think I would have had to do this, but I wanted to smell it. And we'll continue on the smoothie setting. All right, so it's still a little thick, and I have a feeling, I saw that it's supposed to be the whole thing. I didn't believe them, but I'll place in all of the whipped topping. It's coming along now. All right, so I have smoothied this twice. It's sweating. And we're gonna pour it and taste it. Obviously, it doesn't look as yellow as a Dole Whip. Who knows what they do to it, but no sugar was added. We'll see if it pours this way. No, it won't.
No. You have to
Oh my,
it.
you open that? It smells like Disney
I can
World.
smell it from here.
It smells like Disney World, babies.
In your own home.
Oh my God, that smells good. Well, look at it though. That looks yummy.
It's pretty yellow, actually.
And it looks creamy.
Yeah, I'm sure Disney puts like food coloring.
They
Or
might-
maybe they use
the juice
pineapple
itself.
ice cream or juice. We didn't.
Yeah.
So you can, though.
Yes, some of the recipes I've seen use juice.
We're going to
I
Put a
just
little bit in here.
wanted it to be as healthy as possible, as healthy as this can be.
It's a dry run.
Yeah, you guys are with us.
If it works, we'll try it again and maybe add a bit of sugar. Or if you guys try it, let us know what you
Yes,
used.
let us know.
And if you got that beautiful yellow color, what did you use to get it? And we'll try it next time.
All right, let's put it in here. Oh, bye.
And we won't get that nice little swirl that you get at Disney, but that's okay. It's a
obviously.
taste that...
The taste that
you can
matters. Ooh. That smell. Holy mackerel.
And there it is, guys.
All right.
Dole Whip, pineapple Dole Whip, made at home.
I'm tasting it.
No need to go to Disney.
Well, I don't know about that. Tasting it. Right here. All right. Oh, it's creamy. No cream. Well, whipped cream. Oh my God, that is so good. I can't wait for summer. That is a Dole Whip. All day. Maybe 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you really want it to hit. I like it this way just because it's always better to wash our sugar, but oh my God, so good. Guys, Ninja blender, no need to go out and buy a cremini. I mean, it is smooth, it's tasty, it's delicious. Try it. Let us know what you guys think. Like and subscribe. Yum, 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 yum.